No.
Davey!
No. Yeah, I touched one.
Eli thinks
still
their
don't.
force
Skal det
is
reise ned? Jeg kan ikke gjøre det for nærmere
similar
der.
to our Kalabi-Yalma.
Nice.
But they fail to factor in the dark energy equations. They can tunnel through from their universe, but
Really
once they're
good,
here,
good stuff
they're
there.
dependent on local transportation. If they
Isn't there
knew
a
what
crunch?
we were doing with entanglement,
Hell yeah!
Lesbian.
listen to me. I sound like a postdoc. I'm just so excited to think that we'll finally have the chance
You
to
are a
work together.
postdoc.
Oh!
Whoa! Oh fuck! S!
Dr. Kleiner compressed the Zen relay far beyond anything we can.
What the? Mr. G-Man!
Zen is effectively
What the hell is that?
so we can swing around the border world and come back in local space without having
Hell?
No! I missed the element armor.
Hey man!
Eli, look what I found in the airlock.
Wow, hva er det som jeg har?
Gordon Freeman.
Gordon Freeman?
Let me get a look at you.
Ah!
My God, lab coat, where you belong.
Let me just finish up some work and I'll see what I can dig up.
Do I belong, be nerd?
It's been a real honor. I'm looking
Eller vi
forward
helt
to
til at jeg har sånn teleporter her.
Feel free to
I
look
don't know.
around.
Ikke gå her! Ikke gå her! Ah!
Hva hente?
Boom!
Hva hente?
Vi dekker ned et track og lever jo resten av
Nei, det var kona som gikk ut i.
Botter nå, du. Stupid.
Bitch!
There's nothing Gordon can't handle, with the possible exception of you.
Dad, please.
Damn! Yeah, Gordon Freeman!
Nei, det er...
Du er så bomben!
Just saying, I'm the black guy.
Sometimes I think you deliberately misunderstand me.
No!
Alex, why don't you take Gordon along and give him some practice?
That's got to be...
Creeper!
Let's go have some fun.
Han liker de ene.
Yeah, let's have some fun.
Fun.
Tippa er para magga
Let's get
kan
outta
han
here.
kurs.
Let's
Yeah.
have some fun!
To a lesbian.
That day.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I shouldn't be talking
Rick,
about
Ah!
claustrophobic down here.
Take det upp som idiot.
That's the old passage to Ravenholm.
I got this!
Hey man. Go get your ball. What? Ah!
Holy shit!
At the ball.
Hatta, okay. Yes, don't stick murder and stuff. Catch! Vet du med? Jag kollar bara nu.
Black. Terrified.
Nej, jag har inte vapnet åt den man.
Scrapyard airlock stuck in a full auto
It's
cycle.
just
Is
that.
Gordon still with you?
Magic.
He's right here.
Good. I want you two to
Dad?
Fuck!
take Gordon out of here. Head for the
Mr. G-Man!
Dad?
Okay, Jim. Oh, come on!
Dog!
Get out of here!
Out of here.
Akta det. Oh sh!
What
What the? Get up!
Tear it apart! Get it open!
Punch it! Welcome!
That's enough, dog. Come on, Gordon.
Not that.
Hey!
Oh.
Come on, dog!
Come on, win 9! Vi spanar kött. Vi spanar vi inte? Här.
Here we go. Ska du spana dit?
Här är du. Akkurat det. Okej, onkel sträcka du, right? Onkel sträcka du.
Ja.
Alltså sträcka du rätt där med akkurat. Au.
Att han inte fri. Ah!